Now see our gold USD, starting with our daily time frame down to our 1 hour time frame. If possibly we might look at our 30 minutes time frame. So let's see our daily time frame full trend. By the way, it is actually an uptrend move. Let's see if I can add this 10 period moving average, which will help us, which I very much like using it. So daily time frame, bearish move downward, and we can see of recent, right, this once our price was actually above this 10 period moving average, we all can see this good amount of movement upward, and now our price is now below our 10 period moving average. What are you expecting? A bearish move downward. So I still believe on this daily time frame, I still believe our price will actually drop to this level to take out this our liquidity, which is about 1681. So we'd very much likely be getting a drop to 1681. That is 1681. So on our daily time frame. Secondly, this is actually a bearish move. You all can see the trend, by the way, a huge impulse move downward. We add a little bit of a correction, so we are expecting another huge impulse move downward on our gold. So that is reason number two again, is that daily time frame we are actually going to be going bearish. That it will only be useful for those who are a swing trader. So we will be going to those for those who are a day trader who wants to look at the short period time frame. We will go to it, but this on daily time frame, day traders. So reason number two is that this is actually an trend downward movement. And lastly, we all can see our price is below our 10 period moving average. Our price has just hit our 10 period moving average, so we're expecting a good amount of drop on our gold to our USD. So first of all, when we are to zoom it out, price is actually on a bearish move. When you zoom it out, you all can see of recent we are on a trend line downward, and now our price is below 10 period moving average. So price is going to rally down very much on our gold USD. So if you want to actually take this trade, or if you're a day trader, you want to enter this trade, then we would look at our 4-hour time frame. So this our 4-hour time frame is where you actually want to take this trade, but you don't want to miss out. So basically, we all can see this was actually a correction movement on our daily time frame. We all can see IIS impulse move correction, impulse move correction. So we are now having this downward trend now on this our trend line. You all can see this massive move. This is actually a correction. Is the correction over? No, the correction or this our 4-hour time frame is not over, but it will soon be over. So see where our correction will very much likely be over, possibly this line. We all can see this is actually a key level here. Once our price came to this level, it's dropped, right? This is key level 1. This is also a key level here. Once it has once served as support level, as we all can see it. So key level 2, we all can see our price serve as key level here. Once it came to this level, we saw it's dropped, by the way. It also come to this level again, then we also saw a little bit of a drop before it actually broke above it. So that is key level 3 again we will be looking at. So until our gold comes to our key level, then we would want to see it rally up until it hits our key level, then we can now start shorting it. So 4-hour time frame, we are not yet over on our correction move. We will still be rallying up till our price take this our key level, hit this our key level, then we can now see a drop again on our gold. So basically, if our price can actually hit this our key level for the day, right, on our 4-hour time frame, I want to short it, then I'll say short it to this level, to this our lows, our previous lows on 4-hour time frame. So if our price can short it to this our previous lows on our 4-hour time frame, at least you should be able to grab a lot of profit. Then that should be about 103,176 basis points we will be grabbing if our price, if we are to short it on this our key level downward to this our previous lower lows on our 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, basically the correction is not over. You still see a rally movement upward, then you can consider shorting it on our 4-hour time frame. So basically 1-hour time frame, we are actually on an uptrend move on 1-hour time frame. See it this way, this was an impulse move on our 1-hour time frame. We had a correction here, we add another impulse move, and this is a correction, right? We are expecting another impulse move. So basically we are expecting another impulse move. So if this we can get the impulse move, take out this ice, then we will be seeing a drop. So basically 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame has just confirmed our retracement level, or a bullish movement is not yet over. Until we hit our key level, then we might consider going to short this our gold for the day.